Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to find and where to find the juicer in Petsco. So let's start right away. First, what you need to do, you need to make sure that you unlocked the juicer. So we can go to our upgrade menu and find boosts. Make sure you unlock boosts, and next up you need to unlock potions. So you need to follow that instant luck potions path, and on the end of it, on the left side, you will find Pet Juicer, which is only 75 million. So if you are wondering what is Juicer doing in Petsco, it will give you the ability to change your double pets for instant luck potions, which are very good and important in this game. I will show you now how it works. Let me find the juicer. We're going to go around the map, and here it is. It's in this blue part of the map, as you can see. And if you go close to it, you will be able to exchange your double pets for this instant luck potion level 1. And you can see all of your pets over here in the middle. And now you can decide which one will you use to exchange them or juice them for instant luck potions. So these are all the pets that we have, and you can see above your pet it says how much of those do you have. So what we can do, we don't need to use all of the one pet that we have. We can use 3 of this one. Then we're gonna get a couple of this one. We need 10. So let's go 7 and press OK, and we crafted a lucky potion. As you can see on the right, you have the amazing prices written. That means you have a lot of charge to do that, and you will get more potions for less pets. And after some time, as you can see, your charge will go up to 100%, and as you use it, it will go down more and more. And over here I will show you, if you can see on the left side, for the first potion we need 10 of the pets, and when we go to next one we need 12, and then 14 for the third one, and so on and so on. And it's adding 2 pets for every extra potion that we craft at the same time. So the best thing to do is just craft a couple of them and then wait for the charge to go up to 100% for the best available prices. But also you have some upgrades that can make your charge faster. So if we go to upgrades menu, go back to boosters, then potions, and go to pet juicer, you can see on your left side you have the perks for more energy, and on the right side you have some perks for better potions. So that's all that you need to know about Pet Juicer. You will use rare pets for instant potions level 1, and you will use your epic pets for instant potions level 2, and so on. So if this video helped you guys, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.